channel guys, to my channel. Ito na mga last, malapit tayo matapos sa ating episode, yung eating contest ng baka, roasted cup, saka sa kuan, to isda. Yan. Isdang dibon ha. Isdang kuan. Ang sarap na isda. Itong baka is really good. Tapos na yung rice ko, ubos. Okay. Diyan ka muna ha. Tapos ka na. So last episode na to guys. Tapos ng pagkain. Atin natin mamaya kung makaset out pa tayo. Okay. Maya pit hit. Set out na naman tayo. Let's help each other. Up and down. So, dito muna tayo sa YT channel ko. So, si Fatima is back. Ma'am Fatima. Shout out Ma'am Fatima. Ito tayo. We have the Sophie YouTube. Ito yung this guys commented and watching our videos, my videos ha. So, sila inuna ko ng shout out. So, next is Salom Road. Holland, Asian vibes. Charot. Nahirapan akong nagbasa. Ay. Salom Road, Holland, Asian vibe. Shout out my friend. Yan, long time no see. Sophie, yan, balik-balik si Sophie. Yan. Shout out si Farmer Boy TV. Yan. Farmer Boy TV. Yan, mga kuan yan, more on politika. Gusto nyong politika, punta nyo si Farmer Boy. Bumalik ka tayo sa kuan. Okay, lang. Sinorin TV, shout out. Shout out din natin si kuan. Hindi tayo makalimutan to si Ma'am Bitbi Kung Song Haikyuu. Sa Vietnamese vlogger, food vlogger. Yan, Yeah. Yan. Nabagay sa YT channel ko yan. So, let's not forget shout out to Natures and Beauty. Yan. It's an Indian channel. Yan. Natures and Beauty, shout out ma'am. Shout out din tayo kay Duger Beauty Tube channel. Yan. I think this is my last vlog last episode. Yan, si Everything on Agenda. Shout out. Para makaplay naman ako sa inyo. Si Anthill TV. Shout out. Okay. Naman tayo si MidQ Channel. Shout out. Si Edison Bartolay. Shout out. Si Ma'am Irene Talent. Shout out. Ito yung this subscribers just watch my latest video. Okay. Helton and Helly Vlog. Shout out. Then Cyber. Shout out. Shout out to Castro. Uno or one. Castro 1. Uno. And then si Nunez 987. Shout out. Good singer. Ito, magaling to. Then we have also Ma'am from Korea. Ayan. Shout out, Ma'am. It's also a Korean musician. Shout out, sir. Shout out, Kinsey Vlog. Shout out. So, Gian, shout out. Digiton, okay. Then, Infinity, shout out. So, malapit na yung matapos. Nandito din sa Rafael Works, shout out. Si yan. Marasigan Channel, shout out, sir. Saka si Buboy Palad, magaling na singer, shout out. Kasi Boss Lando, the Explorer. Ayan. Shout out, Boss Lando. Okay. Shout out din kay Double Meditation Support. Shout out. Ito si Rock and Roll, Phil Rocks. Shout out, Phil Rocks. Hindi level lang po. Kailang. Malapit naman tapos. 7 minutes na tayo, guys. Kailangan ko lang ng 7 minutes. Okay. 8 minutes pala, sorry. Para maka-upload agad. So kasi Ann Hong, please watch hour lang ko lang yan. Ma'am. So please help. Then ma'am, si Boat Car Adventure yan. It's an American yata to sila. It's an American. You can find them their channel in my video. Just like this. Shout out to all my YouTube friends who watch blah blah blah. Just check their channel sa comment section. Okay, para ma-play nyo. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Mabuhay.